Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beidat World Class IT Training. This is Module 5, and in this module, we'll discuss about responsive design with media queries. This should be a short topic, and we will continue where we left off. And so this is what we're going to be using, the Media Max with 600. Based on the size, what would happen to the color? Right. So I wanted to show you two different sizes so you can see it. I'm just going to take out this whole thing so that you can see what would happen if we replaced it. Just wrote it and copied and pasted so you can quickly see it. If the size is that and so 992 pixel, or if the size changes to 600 pixel, and then what would happen to the color. Let's save it and go back to our video, our page, and refresh it. So this goes back to what we had. Now, what happens if I resize it? Okay, so if I go back and let's bring this page, oops. This is the same one. Yeah, I move it, let's go back. This is our page. So if I move, let's say, why do I have two pages? Let's close that. So if I have this page and let's say I hold it right here and bring it to closer here, see that how the color changes? So if it's 600, it changes to olive. You see that? So it basically said once the max size is 600, change the color to the background color to olive. And that's what it's supposed to do. Once it reduces to that, that's what you will see. All right. And this is useful in case you plan to have different devices accessing your website. And that's normally what happens. Somebody accesses it from a phone, somebody accesses from a computer, from a tablet. And this is how you would set up the different views that you want your clients to see on your page. All right. Thank you. That stops right there. And we will move on to the next module, which discuss about advanced techniques on CSS. All right. Thank you. And I'll see you soon.